SAFI's onboarding non-negotiables and simple rules were created by a group of professionals from different divisions throughout the company. These professionals are known for their outstanding approach to onboarding and are called the onboarding torchbearers. Several of the non-negotiables centered around scheduling times with our teams and our new hire. As we were creating these resources, one of the torchbearers decided to create an interactive schedule that can be used in the same way that one might organize a room during a remodel. The basic design of the interactive schedule incorporates several non-negotiables, but is flexible enough for you to update for your team. Those non-negotiables include spreading the training out over time. New hire feedback has demonstrated a dissatisfaction with the non-stop Relias training. Scheduling time on an actual schedule will prevent this. Scheduling downtime during the first weeks. It's really important that new hires have the opportunity to organize their workspace both physically and virtually on their computers. They can gather resources and tools to help them with their new career here at SAFI. Stalling case assignments. There's overwhelming feedback from recent new hires that getting caseloads right away decreases their satisfaction working here at SAFI because it leads to feelings of failure and second guessing whether or not they made the right choice to join us. Scheduling feedback sessions and checking in with the new hire. This is a hands-on approach to really learn how our new hire is adjusting to the new environment. It's also important that we check in with our existing team to make sure that they are adjusting well to the new hire as well. A laid out schedule for the first week at a minimum. The actual example that we have of the interactive schedule is set up this way. So by using the interactive schedule, we will be able to meet all three of our simple rules around onboarding. And that is that we'll provide a VIP experience, we'll provide resources that demonstrate integrity and excellence, and engage our new hire from the beginning, taking nothing for granted. So let's take a quick look at this interactive schedule. You'll find that it's an Excel spreadsheet, and we'll see it out on our SEW. I'll have the path to get there following this demonstration. These are some instructions that are on tab 1. What we're going to focus on right now is tab 2, which is week 1. And I'm going to show you some of the features and some of the things that we think you'll really like about this particular schedule. So again, this is our interactive schedule. It can be changed to modify or modified for the first week of the new hire's experience with us. All of the blocks can be changed, and they are also movable. So if you wanted them to look at the SOAR binder on Saturday, you can do that. You'll also find that this particular schedule is for 1 week, and in it you'll find the Relias courses that are required here in green, and everything else is very all of these blocks are interchangeable, but you'll find that you're not doing Relias back to back. You'll also find that we scheduled lunch because that's a very important part of every day, and we've also scheduled in some of the areas of non-negotiables where they're going to meet with each member of a team. They're going to check in and out with their supervisor. So we folded in a lot of pieces of the non-negotiables, but again, this can be modified to make sense for your team, and understanding that this could be used week after week. So let's say that your person starts today on December 12th, 2016. And you've got their first week schedule taken care of. Now what you could do is you can schedule their second week by simply typing in the new date for next week, which will be the 19th. And you'll see it changes all the days. Now I had the time set, in the example that's on the SEW, we'll have the time set at 8 o'clock. I changed the time to 10 a.m. and let me show you how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and change it to 9 o'clock. So you just type in 9 o'clock, hit enter, and it automatically changes the time for you. If you wanted a person to start at 11 o'clock on Tuesday, we'll say, the way that you would move this entire section would be to hit shift and select each of these items. And I'm not going to select all of them for the sake of time, but then you would move them all at once. You can move them wherever you wanted. Again, I hope that you really enjoy this tool. The onboarding torchbearers were excited about it, and the usability. If you have more ideas on ways that we could improve things, let us know. The Organizational Development and Research team is continuing to have conversations with the onboarding torchbearers to continually update and improve our way of onboarding. You can find the onboarding resources and more on the SEW under Human Resources, Onboarding Checklist and Presentations, and you can click on the career-specific information you would like, as well as the individual checklist and onboarding non-negotiables. Keep checking out here often because we'll be updating these resources periodically throughout the year.